we're doing flower press.
So what do we need to do first of all?
Look for flowers. Primroses.
Primroses. Can you tell me something about the colour of the petals?
They're white, but in the inside they're yellow.
They're almost white. They're a sort of creamy, buttery colour, the outside of the primrose. And then in the middle, they're a beautiful orange. Now these would be really good for pressing because they're quite flat. These are another variety of primroses.
They're periwinkles.
Hold it up. What do they look like?
Purple.
Little purple flowers, and they grow along the ground. We can place it flat. It's a bit breezy.
We're squashing the primulas. We put it between a book.
And between two
Pieces of paper.
and then we're going to, you don't have to push down on it.
Shut the book.
That's